So, starting your own online business is always a good idea. And, in case if you want to start right now, this is the best time to, anytime you start thinking about starting a business, it's actually the best time. So, this video is going to be about 10 profitable business ideas you can start in 2023. And, because 2023 is around the corner, so, you will find them interesting. So, let's get started with me on them. So the first idea is freelance writing business, and you don't need to be a writer to start your own online freelancing writing business. In fact, even you don't need to master's degree in journalism. You don't need something special in journalism. So that is a very good thing, and all you need is a bunch of trying practice, and that's how you can start. Writing in English is, or being a content writer, is not actually about grammar issues, but rather it's an issue. It's more of a article writing is more something, how you are able to convince or deliver your message. In case if you are able to deliver your message in a jolly way, that is actually a better article than an article which is full of grammar words, which is very hard to be understand by masses. That article is not actually a good article, because we are not giving an exam, but rather educating or helping people through our content, through our words. So in case if you are good at delivering a message, you can be a win-win and start your own freelance writing business. And that is actually because that method doesn't require any investment. All you need to do is you need to have your own Upwork, Fiverr profile, and even you can get work from Facebook groups. So all you need is these things, and you can get started on them. So my next method is about building and selling themes online. Okay, I know that selling themes online is not thing for everyone. In case I can't even do that, so this profitable business idea is not even suitable for me, because I can't do this personal thing. But because I have seen people doing it, and people are earning money through that. So in case if you're good at coding, and in case if you want to learn coding, YouTube is your friend. And in case if you are good at designing and creating stuff, so you can create themes for WordPress and make money. Themeforest is a very good website where you can sell them and earn good money. Even in case you can sell on your own website as well, and that can be a good way as well. So, but that this work is done on Get Bootstrap, and because I'm not good at this thing, so I'm not an expert. But because I have seen people doing it, which is why I'm recommending it. And third is being virtual assistant. Now because there are many new businesses which are starting every day, and because these new businesses require resources, staff to get their work done. So in case if you want to you can also become VA and get some good income through that. And that is again a good profitable business idea, in case if you are able to make a team out of it and get percentage on your staff as well. So that can be another thing as well. But because honestly, frankly, I do not see the future of VAs, because in case if you're doing anything which anyone can do, it is not a special thing. So if in my opinion, VA is not an excellent option to offer. But because in case if you want to be a jack of all, master of none, you can offer VA. And because payout is low and there is no future, which is why I do not recommend. But because people are doing it, which is why I'm saying that in case if you want to do, you can do it. But in case if you ask my opinion, I don't give my word for becoming VA. And the next is social media management service, because now because more and more businesses are trying to get their online attention, and there are so many social media platforms available: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. You need Snapchat, TikTok. So you as a marketer, you need to be everywhere. And because new businesses don't know how to get their presence online, so if you learn this skill, this can be a very good profitable idea to start your business. And you can start your own social media management service or agency in case, and get good bucks through it. And this again do not require much investment, little investment or no investment at start. But once your business starts growing, you can buy some tools to get the procedure automated. So but because this is one of my favorite thing, because I'm a marketer myself, so I like this thing, so I will recommend this thing as well to you. In case if you can do it, that is a very good way, and that can make good bucks. And next is about web designing agency. And because for all these new businesses to start their business online, they need a website, and you can provide web designing services. And I have done this in past, and we even sell web designing services as well. So you can get your website designed from us, and you can even sell this service. You can hire someone, or even in case it doesn't require much work, and you can learn some tutorials and get started on WordPress and create websites, and that can be a good service. And because there is a huge still demand of websites, even website creation, website editing, website redesigning. Even there are old websites which needs a redesign, so you can even do that service as well, and that can give you a good bucks as well. So this is another profitable idea to start your business online. And the next is to sell online courses. So if you have a skill, if you are good at something, you can sell it. So because I still remember the quote of Joker in the movie Dark Knight. He said, if you're good at something, never do it for free. So if you have a skill, you can sell it. Even if you're good at copywriting, you can sell it. In case if you're good at Google ads, Facebook ads, or web designing service, or even if you have learned any skill, you can create a course and sell it. So Udemy is a very famous place. Skillshare is also another famous place. So that can be a way through which you can make good bucks. So my next strategy will be about video editing. And because that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, and the biggest video based search engine in the world. So because people are coming on YouTube, just like me, you are watching this video on YouTube, and people are trying to have their presence online, and more brands are looking for creating video content. And for video content, everyone needs video editing. And if you can learn some video editing skill, you can start your own online video editing business and can make good bucks. Yes, you can make, because that is a profitable business and people are doing it and people are earning it, because there is a huge still market gap to be filled, which is why I'm recommending that you can start this business and start your own online journey. And you can also create your own fashion boutique, and you can even do drop shipping and get from AliExpress or Alibaba, or you can start your own online boutique and get some clothes at wholesale rate and start reselling them. That can be good way, because that is more of a ladies. So this idea is more for ladies as compared to gents. But I have seen a combination that where a couple is doing this business. So as a couple, this is an ideal business as well, or as a female, this is an ideal business as well. As a male only, I would recommend it exactly, because I don't find it useful. Because you don't know how the ladies designs works, and what designs do they like. So you need a female somehow. So as a couple or as a female, that is a very good method to start your own to start your own online business in 2023 and make good bucks. So these are few of the ideas, profitable business ideas to start your own online business in 2023, and I hope you like it. Which business you like the most? I will be looking forward for your comment in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, because you guys watch my videos but don't subscribe. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel as well. And with this, I like to end. Thank you and bye bye.